So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Maison Hui Bento Lunchbox for kids. This has an 8-ounce soup thermos within it. It's leak proof, okay? We've got compartments. There are 4 compartments in total. I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys the whole scoop by showing you what's inside the lunchbox and how much room you have, okay? First of all, I should tell you I have 2 sets per child for each of these specific lunch boxes. So I have 2 versions of this one you're looking at here for my son and 2 versions of this for my daughter. We use these on a regular basis and there are so many reasons why. So let's take a look inside, shall we? This is the newest one that I just got for my son. I have one for my daughter that just also came in the mail, but I at least wanted you guys to see one of them and see how they came. So, number 1, they do come with instructions for the lunchbox and its use. You also will receive your refrigerated bag, okay, that is zipped, okay, right here. Sorry, my camera is moving. And then, of course, you're going to be able to label your box right here, okay? And then, of course, it also has a handle that your kids will be able to hold on to. So we've got that. And then the one that you are looking at right here is the dinosaur version, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and open this up so you guys can see. I should also share that you also get a spork situation, so you have a spoon and a fork. You don't have to worry about having separate utensils for this. You can also have this for inside of your lunchbox for your kids. That is also included, okay? Let's go ahead and take it out of the packaging. As you can see, very well packaged. And I'm going to push all these things aside so that you guys can see it in its entirety. So here we go. Boom. You've got your latch, super easy for the kids to get into. And then we open it up. Skadoosh. Okay, first of all, as you guys can see, we've got these nice seals in there. So leak proof is a definite. We've been using these the entire year for this school year, and we've had no issues, hence why I bought a second one for each of my kids. They wanted a different design, and it's always good to have a backup in case you need to wash it and you didn't have a chance to do the night before, right? So the other part that is awesome about these is they also have plenty of space, and they also come with a thermos, okay? So you've got an 8-ounce soup thermos here that you can actually place right in here, okay? Super easy for your kiddos to open, by the way. So they're gonna just open it up just like this, vacuum sealed. You can tell when you pull it off this thing. And then of course, your thermos where you'll put your soups, spaghetti, noodles, whatever you want to put. And then just so you guys can see the other side. Okay. And then we just close it up and lock it in place. Doesn't even come off, okay? Like it is for real not coming off that thing. So you don't have to worry about it leaking in the lunchbox. Now, in case you aren't putting any items in their lunchbox that would need a thermos, you're good because guess what? You have plenty of room. So let me show you how much room you have. Look at all this room, you guys, right? Plenty of space to put full-on sandwiches, and I've put full sandwiches in here, okay? I've put all kinds of fun stuff, but you have plenty of space within the lunchbox to do all kinds of things with, okay? So those little mini Go-Gurts and the mini drinkable yogurts and things that don't normally fit most lunch boxes, you can actually fit that in here. You can actually fit them in here or in here. There are just a lot of different options. And again, just so you guys can see how everything is nice and lined so that you can avoid leaks, okay? And just so you guys can see, look at the design, look how vibrant that is, okay? And you should also know there are plenty of varieties of choices of prints to choose from. Like I said, I have 4 total, 2 for my son and 2 for my girl, and they love them.